can have an EV and make it through the winter, without serious issue. I think that should be the gold star that we're all pointed toward as we think about moving toward more EVs across the country.
Are you struggling with your EV this winter? Are you hoping for new solutions that can finally fix those cold weather problems?
Scientific solutions is already existing. It takes time for the auto industry to implement practical solutions and start to provide viable product to our customers.
Everything you thought you knew about EV batteries may no longer apply. Elon Musk has just revealed Tesla's shocking 2026 solid-state breakthrough, and the bold claim behind it is simple. Extreme weather will no longer cripple your car. But is that really possible? Can a solid-state pack hold more power, charge faster, and survive brutal winter conditions, while still keeping your cabin warm and your range intact? There's a hidden mechanism behind this tech, and today, we're breaking it down so you can see what actually changes for real drivers in real weather. Before we jump in, help AutoGearshift reach 13,799 subscribers. Hit subscribe and ring the bell to stay ahead of every breakthrough Tesla doesn't fully explain on stage. 1. How can solid-state batteries blow away winter problems? What's inside? First, traditional lithium-ion batteries rely on a liquid electrolyte that facilitates the movement of lithium ions between the anode and cathode. However, this liquid electrolyte thickens in cold weather, reducing ion mobility and decreasing the overall efficiency of the battery. This forces EV users to take longer charging times and take reduced range since the energy is lost faster during winter months.
You could tell the battery does go out faster.
It's complicated because, I have to take time out of my day, sometimes every other day just to charge and, refill my battery.
In contrast, solid-state batteries utilize a solid ceramic or polymer electrolyte that remains stable and efficient even at negative 30 degrees Celsius. The solid electrolyte allows ions to move freely without resistance, ensuring that the battery maintains its performance levels regardless of the outside temperature. This means your vehicle is charging faster and has less range drops when using solid-state battery. We will discuss this later in this video, but what is truly different is the use of advanced materials tailored for cold climates from Tesla. Unlike traditional batteries, which rely on graphite anodes that can suffer in freezing conditions, Tesla uses silicon or lithium metal anodes. These materials not only reach faster energy transfer, but also offer higher thermal stability. In practical terms, this means your Tesla EV can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in the snow just 0.2 seconds slower than under perfect conditions. Moreover, power loss is minimized to a mere 3 to 5%, compared to the 15 to 30% losses of lithium-ion batteries in similar conditions. In the cold season, what problems are you having with your EV? If your vehicle cannot accelerate fast, please drop a 1. And if your vehicle loses power quickly, please drop 2. If not, please share with us in the comments section below. Come back to the solid electrolyte. It acts as a thermal insulator, preventing cold from penetrating into the battery's core. This maintains a stable internal environment, critical for consistent performance. Even after a night in negative 20 degrees Celsius, a solid-state battery can help your vehicle retain 95% of its charge, while a lithium-ion counterpart would see a significant drop of 60 to 70%. This reliability means that you don't have to worry more about range and acceleration on frosty mornings. 2. How do solid-state batteries offer higher performance even in snowy conditions? One of the biggest issues for EVs in winter is slow charging. If temperatures drop below freezing, charging speeds can be reduced by 30 to 50% due to the thickening of the liquid electrolyte inside traditional lithium-ion batteries. That's why Tesla's current 4680 battery can take up to 40% longer to charge in the winter, which means you have to wait up to 45 minutes at a supercharger just to get enough charge to continue your trip. Moreover, using a solid ceramic or polymer electrolyte that maintains high efficiency, even at negative 30 degrees Celsius, Tesla's new solid-state battery can charge as fast as it does in warm weather. This battery also eliminates the risk of lithium plating. This is a dangerous issue that occurs when charging a cold lithium-ion battery too quickly. In this case, it damages battery cells permanently and forces EV makers to limit charge speeds in winter to prevent long-term degradation. Now, users can charge at full speed in freezing temperatures without harming the battery. Another problem of EVs during this season is energy waste. In reality, the battery needs to preheat itself before charging or delivering full power, which wastes 5 to 8 kilowatt per hour of energy just warming up. However, Tesla's new solid-state battery solves this problem with a built-in self-heating mechanism that activates whenever the battery is charging or discharging. Instead of using extra energy to warm up, the battery heats itself naturally as it operates, reducing preconditioning energy waste by 80 to 90%. So now, you don't waste your energy as much as before, even before you start your EV's motor. In an easy grab, using solid-state batteries helps your vehicle operate more stably in cold conditions. We are referring to reliability and safety when traveling on freezing highways, for instance. In places like New York, where winter storms can leave you stuck in the roads for hours, or in Los Angeles, where unexpected temperature drops can catch you off guard. You will be more comfortable since your EV now has faster charging rates, higher energy efficiency, stable range, or higher accelerations. It's such a big difference between driving to your home safely or needing to find an emergency charging station in freezing conditions. 3. How and how long does a solid-state battery heat your car? One of the biggest concerns for EV owners in winter is keeping the cabin warm without running out of battery. IAA researchers have discovered that controlling cabin temperature can consume a substantial amount of power because batteries don't function as well in cold weather. Unlike traditional EV batteries that rely on inefficient liquid electrolytes, Tesla's solid-state battery has higher thermal conductivity. This means that when heating the cabin, less energy is lost, allowing the car to reach a comfortable temperature much faster while consuming far less power. So what Tesla model are you using? Are your vehicles struggling with heating problems in this season? We're glad to hear about your sharings. Now let's see how much time you have to spend heating your cabin. Take a Model Y in extreme winter conditions, for example. With a traditional lithium-ion battery, warming up the cabin from negative 20 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius can take 15 to 20 minutes, and a significant portion of the battery's power is wasted in the process. But with the solid-state battery's 95% heating efficiency, the same process takes only 6 to 8 minutes, which shows a 60% reduction in heating time. If you are using the Model S Plaid, instead of waiting 12 to 15 minutes, now you can enjoy a fully warmed cabin in just 5 to 7 minutes. And if you own a Cybertruck, you have to take just 10 minutes to fully heat the cabin, compared to 20 to 25 minutes with a standard lithium-ion battery. And how does the battery heat your cabin? It uses a heat pump system that draws power directly from the battery. This system also absorbs heat from the surrounding environment, even in sub-zero temperatures, and efficiently redistributes it inside the cabin. Thanks to this, energy consumption is low by 30 to 40%. By contrast, traditional lithium-ion battery systems use resistive heating, which works by converting electricity directly into heat. While this method is effective, it is also extremely inefficient, draining the battery rapidly and significantly reducing driving range. This causes a range drop by 20 to 30% in freezing conditions. If a Model Y is equipped with a standard lithium-ion battery, heating the cabin from negative 20 degrees Celsius to a comfortable 20 degrees Celsius could consume up to 8 kilowatt-hours of energy, reducing driving range by nearly 30 miles per hour of heating. But with the solid-state battery-powered heat pump, energy consumption is just 5 kilowatt-hour, which can gain nearly 10 to 15 miles of range per hour. That means you stay just as warm while keeping more energy for the road. But is this heating process safe? Yes, you don't have to worry about this issue. Unlike gas-powered vehicles, where carbon monoxide poisoning is a major risk, Tesla's EVs do not rely on combustion, which eliminates that danger. Next, Tesla uses sensors in their vehicles to detect any movement inside the cabin, ensuring that if conditions become unsafe, the system alerts you immediately via the Tesla app. Moreover, a solid-state battery also allows the cabin to maintain a steady temperature for longer, meaning you can confidently leave your child or pet in the car for short periods without worrying about extreme heat or cold. Let's find what happens when your Tesla sits overnight in freezing temperatures. If left outside for 8 hours in -20°C, a traditional lithium-ion battery would allow the cabin temperature to drop to 5°C, requiring the heater to restart. But with a solid-state battery, the cabin maintains 15°C naturally. In even harsher conditions, after 12 hours in -30°C, a traditional lithium-ion battery would need a full preconditioning cycle of 30 to 60 minutes before reaching optimal temperature. Tesla's solid-state battery, on the other hand, requires only 5 to 10 minutes to warm up the cabin. This means even when you leave your vehicle in the parking side after a cold night, you can start driving almost immediately, rather than waiting nearly 1 hour for the battery and cabin to warm up. Are you ready to use a solid-state battery for your vehicle? Are there any other features do you want Tesla to update with this solid battery? Or what do you want Tesla to improve in their current 4680 battery? We are eager to get your insights. If you feel interested in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And hit the notification bell so you never miss any coming updates. See you later.